Hello everyone, good morning. In last video we have learned the letter of inquiry. In this video we are going to learn letter of complaint. Now before starting the letter writing, let's see the format of the letter. First of all, you will write the address given. If the address is given, you will write that address. If it is not given, you can write any address. Then date, then the receiver's address, the manager, name of the company, and then name of the city. So this you will write in the receiver's address. So first you will write your address or the given address, then you will leave one line, then write date, then after leaving one line you will write the receiver's address. Then after leaving one more line you will write dear sir or madam, then subject. So what the subject you will write? Complaining about whatever you have the complaint, so that you will write in the subject. Now body of the letter. In the first paragraph you will write purchased, when, where, what, model and brand, and if you have the bill number. So you will write the purchased item, जो भी आपने खरीदा है, कब खरीदा, कहाँ से खरीदा, क्या खरीदा, ठीक है, उसका मॉडल और ब्रांड क्या है, and the bill number. This thing you will write in the first paragraph. In the second paragraph you will write the technical complaints, at least 3 points. The complaints which you have with that brand or model or that specially whatever you have bought. For that, whatever complaints you have, at least 3 complaints you will write in the second paragraph. In the third paragraph you will write, since the whatever the item you have bought is under warranty, just an example I am just writing here mobile phone. Since the mobile phone is under warranty, so kindly replace it within 10 days, whatever the days you want to mention. Failing which I will be forced to move to the consumer court. So this paragraph is fixed, you will write in the third paragraph. Clear? And at last, yours faithfully, the name. Clear? So this is the format of the letter of complaint. Now let's see an example. You are Ravi or Ram of 52 Shah Road, Agra. You had bought a textbook first flight for class 10 from a neighborhood bookstore. After browsing through the book, you realized that a few pages were missing and the print overlapping on a few pages. Write a complaint letter to the manager, Prakash Books, Sardar Bazar, Agra, requesting him for a replacement or refund. So you have to write a letter that you bought one book. The name of the book is First Flight for class 10 from the bookstore, and that book is little bit damaged. Okay, means that the pages are missing as well as the print is overlapping on few pages. So these are the complaints for which you are writing a letter to the manager of the bookstore. So let's see. First, the address given, that you will write 52 Shah Road, Agra. Then the date 10th September 2020. Then the receiver's address, the manager, Prakash Books, Sardar Bazar, Agra. The address is already given. Then dear sir, and subject replacement of defective book, or you can write complaining about a defective book. Then in first paragraph, as we have seen, you will write when, where, and what. I bought the book First Flight for class 10 from your shop, wide cash memo number 123, dated 5 September 2018. So here we have write what, क्या खरीदा, when, कब खरीदा, 5th September 2018. Okay, and the brand or model सब कुछ यहाँ पर आ गया, and the bill number, that also you have mentioned. After browsing through the book, I found that a few pages are missing and the print is overlapping. So this you will write in the second paragraph. The book is also not properly बाउंड, अच्छी तरह से उसका बाइंडिंग भी नहीं किया हुआ. सो दीज आर द 3 complaints. My unit tests are scheduled to begin next week and English is my first paper. ठीक है, आप ये भी मेंशन कर सकते हो. As I mentioned earlier, the overlapping of print is in the first few chapters and the few last chapters. I need to prepare for the forthcoming test. So क्यों लिखा लेटर वो भी कंप्लेंट के साथ आपने यहाँ पर बता दिया. Then I therefore request you to replace the book at the earliest. What do you want? That you will write in the last paragraph. The copy of cash memo is enclosed here with for your reference. It would be deeply appreciated if such blunders are avoided in future for your reputable shop to continue enjoying the reputation that it has earned in the previous years. The suggestion also you can write in the last paragraph. ठीक है, लास्ट पैराग्राफ में सजेशंस भी लिख सकते हो कि आप ऐसे मिस्टेक करो कि आपका नाम जो रेपुटेशन आपने बनाया है वो ऐसे ही गवा ना दो. ठीक है, तो ये आप लिखोगे 3rd पैराग्राफ में. सो इन द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ यू विल राइट व्हेन, व्हाट, वेयर and the number of the bill. Then in 2nd paragraph the complaints, and in the 3rd paragraph you will write that what do you want now. क्या चाहिए आपको, रिफंड चाहिए, आपकी बुक रिप्लेस करवानी है, सजेशंस है, वो सब आप लिखोगे 3rd paragraph में. And at last yours faithfully Ravi, the name of the person who is writing a letter. So this is the letter of complaint. I hope you understood it well, and this you have to write in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.